Now the next ones we're going to do is we're going to stay on the same theme. These are 55s as you pull them out of the bags. Do not cut all the bags open. I'm only going to cut open one bag open at a time that I need them. So I'm going to do this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over on the other side as well. So I'm going to be changing these plastic rivets. Now in this case, I'm actually missing one rivet right here, so I've got a spare, so I'm gonna throw a spare in right there. But go ahead and do down the side. I'm going to duplicate on the other side while it's fresh in my mind, and I would suggest that you do the same. I'm not going to show it because it's the same work, right? But I would do kind of matching mirror on both sides as you go through it, so there's no question or confusion as you go through the work. All right, so now you should be out of the 55s. That should have used all the 55s that you have when you're caught up there. And I'm probably going to say this several times, but as we go through this, so for example, this is metal into plastic, and in this case, titanium into plastic. So just snug them down. Don't crank on them super hard. You don't want to crack any place where you're actually putting in plastic, okay? So be super careful with that. So now we're going to move on to the number 3 bolt, which is going to be the number 6 washer, since we've already opened the 6 washers back here for this 55 with the 6 washer right here. So that's done. So the 6 bag of washers should be open. So you're going to do all of these with washers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And these in the back are a little bit hard to reach. I find that a ratcheting 10 millimeter wrench works really, really well. You can lay the wrench in there and slowly work that bolt out.